好，你们好，大家好，我叫 Connie，很高兴跟大家学习汉语。Hey guys, this is Connie. I'm really happy to learn Chinese with you. I'm happy. 我好开心啊 Okay, guys, are you worried about how to study in China or how to do any business in China? Worry no more. Connie's Wardrobe and General Merchandise is here to help you. So kindly call this number 0086 187 353 93712. 0086 187 353 93712. You can also add on WhatsApp to talk about school, business, and everything. Okay. Oh, and also remind you that please try to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Please try to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to receive an update whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. 谢谢. So guys, as I always do, I'll be speaking the Chinese and I also interpret into English and another language called Chi. So you hear three languages, Chinese, and I'll interpret into what? English and Chi. Okay, so 谢谢. Thank you. Okay, mtafo mo nyina ko ba ABC Chinese mu nya ba ti kanini medamati bebre sa bibia mota mecha bibia mota me video so no muni ho asem so mini ho okay ana many people bebre say metu mini mu tia Chinese kasa no because they say Chinese for no maybe o mo ho no mutumi tia kasa na I think say betumi aboa ma so chia Chinese ni bi na ohia mo bia betumi na kasa na watumi aboa no na me say subscribe to my channel no me subscribe na so same me aye bell anata adoma na ho no so said be abebiam de video ni bi beto ho no ma won sabeka watumi aba ni nyina esua de abom na bibia bom za so ati ase me da wase se wa ye ni sa ana o pese wutia ade o China ana to pese ye dwuma bo China so wo dream we ho amitro ene ma odaje ne tinga kani so Wardrobe and General Merchandise so be bo amata o niam wo school sem ne adwuma sem bibia otumi abo the here to be first number and to be add no e WhatsApp e number ya be bo ama o 0086 187 353 93712 0086 187 353 93712 betumi add o WhatsApp the medical account na yɛde nkɔmɔ afa yɛ school sɛm adwuma sɛm bibia sɛm so ate aseɛ so guys today we are going to learn we are still on months of the year okay months of the year we have already learned January, February, March, April. Okay, we learned how to say them in Chinese. Okay, so today we are going to continue with May, June, July, and August, how to say in Chinese, okay? So, are you ready? Dumbehalama, dumbehala. Okay, but before I begin, please take your pen and your paper to write something down, okay? So, are you ready? Okay, dumbehalama, you have to say, dumbehala, I'm ready. Dumbehala. Okay, so now let's begin. But before we begin with our month of the year, we are going to look at something here, okay, some characters. And so now let's begin. Okay, so our first character here is okay, can you see? Let's say hello, ni hao. Okay, so our first character here is Zai. 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 Okay, very good. Please read after me, okay? Zai. Zai, okay. Zai means to be, okay? To be at, okay? To be at or in. It also means nigga on, in or to be at. Zai means on, in or to be at. Okay, so if you see this character or if you hear anyone saying Zai, it means in, on, or to be at. Okay, Zai. Okay, Zai when it should say in, on, and I say to be at. So this will become Zai. it just say on, in, and I say to be at, to be at. Okay, so let's say bye bye. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. How about next character here? Okay, so our next character here. Oh, sorry. Our next character here is okay. War. Please read after me. War. War. Okay, war means me or I. We have learned several things. Okay, so this is not our first time. Okay, even if it's our first time, it's okay. So now let's learn together. Okay, so war, war, war. Okay, very good. War means me or I. War, me or I. Okay, war, war. War. Okay, very good. Okay, what we need to say me, me, me. So what the war and that's war character winner. It just say me or I. War, war. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next character here is okay. Okay, so our next character here is sorry. Please read after me. Two tie, two tie, two tie, two tie, two tie, two tie. Okay, very good. Two tie means business trip. Okay, business trip. Two tie business trip. Okay, so if you hear someone saying two tie, it means business trip. Business trip in Chinese. How to say? Two tie. Very good. Two tie business trip. Two tie business trip. Okay. Two tie we need to say business trip. Say wokɔ baabi because of adwuma bi ɛde wokɔ baabi like how to say yeah business trip sorry we would have missing country wokɔ baabi baabi a wokɔ ne adwuma bi na ɛde wokɔ so wokɔ yɛ adwuma bi like business trip okay business trip in Chinese two tie okay let's move on to the next one. Okay, our next one here is okay. Just remember this. Okay, let's read together. Let's read after me, okay? Yeah. Okay. Xiang, 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 xiang. Okay. Xiang means want. Okay. Want. Okay. Want. Xiang. Want. Xiang. Want. Okay. If you want to, like, you want to do something. Okay. You want to do something. Xiang means want. Okay. Xiang means want. Xiang means want. It also means miss, to miss someone, but today we are going to talk about want to do blah blah blah. Okay, so let's look at this. Pick this. Xiang means want. Okay, this one. Want. That's okay. Want. Okay, want. Xiang, want. Okay, xiang we need to say say open so ye be and I say yeah open want xiang okay xiang want. Okay, now let's begin with our what months of the year. Okay, so let's look at this here. Okay, so the first one is okay, so the first one here is okay, so we all know this to be May, right? May. And May in Chinese is Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Okay, Wu Yue means May. May, okay? So Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Okay, Wu Yue. Wu Yue. Okay, Wu Yue means May. May. Okay, so if you hear Wu Yue, it means May. May. Wu Yue. May. Wu Yue. May. Okay, 5月 we need to say May. May. So what the 5月 and that's that character we now it say May. May. 5月. 5月 May. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so our next character here is Ni hao. Okay, so our next character here is June. And June in Chinese is Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Very good. Liu Yue means June. June, okay? So if you see this, you have to remember what this? Liu Yue. Okay, very good. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue means June. June, okay? Liu Yue. Liu Yue, we need to say June. If you say, what's the open so can June? A year Chinese customer in Chinese year. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Liu Yue. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so our next one here is July, okay? July, and July in Chinese is, you can try. Okay, please read after me. Okay, so July in Chinese is Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Okay, so Qi Yue in Chinese and Qi Yue in English is July. July and the Chinese is Qi Yue. Qi Yue means July. July. Qi Yue. July. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. July. Qi Yue. July. Okay. So if you see this, you have to remember that July in Chinese is Qi Yue. Okay. July we're on the Chinese year. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. It's open so I can say July. 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 The Chinese year. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. Qi Yue. July. Okay, let's move on to the last character, okay? Okay, so our last character here is, can you see? Okay. Okay, so our last character here is Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Okay, so Ba Yue in Chinese is nigga. August. August. August in Chinese is Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Okay. Ba Yue means August. August. And August in Chinese, how to say? Ba Yue. Very good. Great job. Ba Yue means August. Ba Yue. Okay. Ba Yue we need to say August. August. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. It's open so can say. August. We can say Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. Ba Yue. August. Okay. So guys, now we are going to see how to say if you want to say, oh, I want to go on a business trip in May. I want to go on a business trip in May. How to say in Chinese? Okay. I want to go on a business trip in May. I want to go on a business trip in May. Okay, let's see how to say in Chinese. Okay, so you have to look at me. 我想在5月出差. Can you join them together? Can you say it? Okay, so now let's go. 我想在5月出差。我想在5月出差。One more time. 我想在5月出差。我想在5月出差。我想在5月出差。我想在 5月 出差 means I want to go on a business trip in May. I want to go on a business trip in May. Okay, so how about if you want to say, oh, I want to go on a business trip in August? How to say in Chinese? Who can try? I can try. I can try. Okay, now let's do it together. Let's say it together. Okay. So person can say, oh, mepɛ sɛ metu kwan adwuma mekɔyɛ adwuma wei bi metu adwuma akwantuo bi a ɛwɔ May ɛyɛ friend sɛ August sɛ wopɛ sɛ bi a wɔka sɛ August metu kwan adwuma bi de mbɛkɔ baabi wobɛkɔ baabi akɔ akɔyɛ adwuma asɛm ne wei bi wopɛ sɛ wɔka na wobɛka ne sɛ wɔ Chinese kasa mu so guys, if you want to say I want to go on a business trip in August. I want to go on a business trip in August. How to say in Chinese? Okay, now let's go. 我想在8月出差。我想在8月出差。我想在8月出差 means I want to go on a business trip in August. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye. 再见。